Okay, guys, so today I'm going to show you how to complete the What Connected the World in 300 CE final notes. So when you open it up, you're going to see a Google slide presentation with stuff along the side and the bottom. And it's going to be your task to drag those things onto your slide as they fit. So kind of going through this first one. So 3 things that connected the world. Drag the definition into the correct box and then find a picture to represent that definition. So we have migration, conquest, and trade. So I'm going to look at these and I'm looking at my 3 definitions along the side and figuring out which one best matches with migration. So when I do that, it's going to be this one. So I'm going to just drag that over, hold it down and drag it over. And now I have that definition in the box. But I also need to find a picture that represents that definition. So to do that, I'm going to come over here to Insert, Image, and search the web. So I know that migration means like moving from one place to another. So I'm going to type in moving and see what comes up. And I'm going to grab this one, I think. So I'm going to click on it and then click Insert. I'm obviously going to have to resize a little bit, but I can stick that right over in that box. And now I have my definition and the picture. So you're going to do that with both of those definitions for conquest and trade as well. Then for our second example, our second task, we have examples. So finding examples from our 2 pair decks, World in 300 Part 1 and World in 300 Part 2, finding examples of how these things took place. So we've got for migration, I'm going to look down here along the bottom. The middle one is going to be these bottom ones right here. So the Bantu moved throughout Africa, spreading farming, language, and technology. Goods and religion spread throughout Eurasia as merchants traveled the Silk Road. And the Maya built an empire, taking control of neighboring cities, which created a common culture between the people of Mesoamerica. So looking at my 3 examples, and I know that migration is moving. So that is going to be them moving around Africa. So I'm going to drag that over into that box and I'm good. So then I have to decide which of these go here. Okay, so for the last one, your task is to describe what spread around the world because of that connection. So they're connected through migration. We have evidence of that. Well, what actually changed? So you're going to go through, and the way I recommend you do this is by going through this list and being like, okay, where did the Bantu language, where was that happening? Where was that spreading around? And that one is going to be Africa. Again, I'm using my information from my 2 pair decks. So that one's going to be Africa. Then I'm going to look at, okay, Buddhism. Where did Buddhism spread in 300? And I know that that's going to spread on the Silk Road throughout Eurasia. So I'm going to drag that there. And you're going to keep going until you have all of these dragged into the boxes. You'll notice that like farming techniques is on here twice because it happened in multiple places. So you're going to have it on there twice. Okay, so I hope that you have lots of luck and can't wait to see what you turn in. All right, thanks guys.